Hello everyone, welcome to the Ichimoku daily analysis for the US dollar index for Monday, September the 20th, 2010. Well, a lot of indecisive trading here in this market over the previous week, and we had the very strongly bearish days with these large red body candles previously, and since then we've had the size of the body of these candles continually reducing. That raises some doubt about the continuation of the trend to the downside, and but also it raises doubt about any potential change of trend to the upside. Certainly we can see here on the bottom of each of these candles we have the shadows, and as the market attempted to trade around the 81 region, the buyers came in and bought the market back up. So obviously that's a very, very strong area of support for this market. The problem is if we start trading up above the 81.4 region, we have very strong resistance overhead from the cloud, and that coincides with another area of previous support and resistance at 82. So there is very, very strong resistance overhead, but very strong support down below. It would be very difficult to take any long trades in this market at the moment, considering the amount of strong resistance overhead all the way up through the cloud. To the downside though, we do have this strong support below the 81 area and certainly down to around 80.4 and around the 80 region. So there's probably more potential for this market to continue selling off and test these areas and trade down through there rather than trade up through the cloud and the Ichimoku indicators to the upside. Now just looking at the Ichimoku indicators, we are trading down below the cloud, so the market has an overall negative bias, and we're also trading below the Kijun-sen and Tenkan-sen, which means that we have a negative bias in the medium-term and fast-term timeframes as well. Looking at the Kijun-sen, the Kijun-sen turned flat a few days ago, and price action tends to be attracted back towards there. That hasn't actually happened yet, but the market has been trading sideways, and the previous downtrending action that we saw in the market has stopped. So that's reflecting the lack of direction in the market at the moment. So for the next trading day, we do need to watch this area around 81 for a potential sell-off to test the area down around 80.4 down to 80, and watch how the market interacts with the area around 82 and the cloud, and where the Kijun-sen and Tenkan-sen are around 81.92.5 and 82.21.